Welcome to Tech Skills by Johnson Kevin. Here today, guys, I want to show you how I make $6 every day from my trading strategy. Please subscribe and hit the notification button to get videos like this anytime I upload new videos. To support my channel, please just subscribe for me. Okay, guys, right away, without wasting much of your time, I'll take you direct to the ticktrade app where I do my trading and how I do it. So first of all you need now is just a $10 and below. You need a $10 below for your trading. And don't forget, before you do the trading, you have to exercise some training on virtual account. You can see with the $10 they gave to me, I increased it to $14.13, which I've already blown my virtual account. So guys, without taking much time from you, let's start something now. You can see the net profit for $1 is 0.8 and return is 8.7, so you should increase it to 2, which is 1.82. So you have to take this risk, except you don't have much money. You can use $1. So when it's 18, you know, when you trade, you already have 30 something cents, so it will be more faster for you to accumulate $1. Now let's start trading. Just be careful not to hit on zero. Be careful not to hit on zero. You can see when it's throwing a long peep, you have to be careful. You can see you have to be careful. So guys, you can see what is happening here. So guys, you can see what is happening here. You can see my last digit was 14 or 15. So now you can see it's 17. I added more extra money to it, and the trade will continue entering because the pattern I'm using is making $6 every day. So when you make at least $2 in the morning, $2 in the evening, and $2 morning, $2 in the afternoon, and in the evening, it's $6. You don't have to trade and over trade yourself 24 hours on this. If not, I promise you're going to lose all your money. You have to trade and take some rest. So while trading, you need a very soft chill drink by your side, and you just sip it to calm your brain. Look at the graph. When it comes in small balls, that is when you can win more, because it's not going to throw a long peep to 80, 90, 70, 10 or 100. So that is it, guys. And one other thing, you just need a $10 below on your live account for this trading. That's it. Please guys, subscribe and hit notification button, and don't always forget to make comment, share, and tell me the type of video you want me to create for you. I really appreciate as you support my channel. I still remain Johnson Kevin. So okay guys, have a nice day and take good care of yourself and have fun. Please tell me the type of video you like me to create for you, and I will always do that. Thank you.